Greg, do you have any crazy story that you have made, any top deal that you have made?
Yes, actually, I lived in China 7 years. And when I moved to Miami, 1 year later, unfortunately, we had COVID. And I had a lot of connections in Hong Kong, in China. China was the first place had the shutdown. And back then, we were planning to start an office in Colombia, and I had a business partner that he was in Colombia. And we started looking for face masks, and we found almost 2 million stocks in Colombia that we decided to ship it to China and Hong Kong. And it was crazy because the products was held by custom like 2-3 weeks. We were stressing out. I think I've lost like 8-9 kilos in less than 1 month. And by the time the goods were delivered to China, we made a really big deal and big money. But then things started to hit back the US and South America, and when China opened, the only thing they were actually manufacturing was the face masks. And we start shipping a lot of face masks from China to Guatemala and the US, and then one of our deal was like really big, almost $3 million. And then it took us almost 2 full airplane to like fulfill the orders. It was very stressful also again, but it was like a crazy deal. Everybody thinks that we made so much money, but then we invested back to different products and we lost more than half of it. So I don't think I will ever do that again.
Contact us today and get $500 off your shipment.